Hello, welcome to the new video. So, a whole bunch of videos on YouTube say that any idiot can install this, which is a 3D OEM shadow light, also known as a puddle light, with just one of these in like under 10 minutes. Let's find out if that's true. I have some cameras set up over here by the door. Can you tell this is a door? And I'm going to get under there and we'll see if this happens. So stay tuned. Okay. So we'll turn that off. And we'll climb down here. And allegedly, okay, well, I got that off. Well, that means this should now pull right up, but I broke it. See, there was the clip I was trying to get out. I don't know, can you see that? That's the clip I was trying to get loose, which was not cooperating. Okay, now, there's this white clip right there. There. Okay. So that's done. Now, yeesh. Anyone? Of course, I left them up here. There. That's the old one put back the way it was. Now I want left. Don't know if that's focusing on that, but that's the left side. Has a little L on it. Well, here, I'll show it to this camera too. I'll climb down here. And show it to this camera. See the L? Okay. Now we're going to plug that in. You can see the way it goes because the clip goes right there. And before I jam it back up in there, I will turn it on. Yes, it's on. Turn it back off. And then we'll slide that up in there. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Okay, putting it back in is really easy. Getting it out's the hard part. Now, if we turn back on the outside lights, looky here. Don't know how well you can see that. I'll come back and do one at night when it's dark. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, but since it's exactly the same thing and you watched me do it on this side, I don't really think you need to watch me do it on that side. So I'll come back and sum up later. And there you have it. Again, not sure how well you can see that down there. Again, I'll come back here after dark and shoot it again. Let's stop for now. Okay, that's about 8 to 10 inches away. That's what it looks like. I'm basically holding the camera level with the bottom of the door. So now the camera's level with the door handle. Now the camera is level with the top of the door. And now the camera is level with the top of the roof. And basically you've seen everything there is to see. So, it does, see, with the door closed, it's bright enough that it spills out, which I don't believe the original Puddle lights did. So, oh well. Okay, so if you were wondering about that other camera you saw sitting on the seat, well, that was my new GoPro Hero 9, which apparently I had put into some sort of super speed mode without realizing, and so the footage was basically useless, but I'm putting it here at the tag end so you can, this is what the other view was. I was supposed to have all 3 pictures on the screen at the same time. Anyway, that was the Puddle lights. It was, I think, technically under 10 minutes. I did some editing and speeding up. But anyway, that's the Puddle lights. They worked. I'm very happy with them. I'll see you in the next video. You go out there and have a good time, and I will talk to you soonish. Or not at all.